Hold your child's fingers facing away from you. Using the snail's tail, gently clean under each nail. Hold the nail snail by the shell. Make sure that the eye prongs are facing upward. Catch the edge of the nail in the V-shaped blade. Trim off the nail following the natural curve. When trimming toenails, make sure to trim straight across. Using the file in the tummy, gently smooth off any rough edges. Thank you so much for watching our video. We'd love to have you subscribe to our Nail Snail YouTube channel. Make sure you click on the bell to get notifications. We'd love to have you with us.